Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Oh no, I gotta go put on some lip gloss. Alright, hello everyone, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I keep up with my faux locks. So pretty much like maintenance and like what I do to keep them kind of looking like faux locks. So if you're interested, keep on watching. But before we begin, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. We are going to need a couple things. A scarf, some edge control. I have like Got To Be Glued and this EC Excellent Condition Fast Drying Edge Control. Oh no, I stole it from my best friend. I got the actual Faux Locs, a comb, the edge brush, and the threading needle, as well as some conditioner. Okay. And so to begin, I already did these earlier in the week. Sorry if I keep looking up, there's my mirrors back there. But I did these earlier in the week, and this is pretty much how they turned out. I'm only left with these, which are super outgrown. I don't know if you can tell. You can tell the difference. It's like... So I start off by taking off any of the jewelry that's on there. And I put it to the side because I'm gonna put it back on when I'm done. And then I cut it at a length at which I know my hair is not really, there. But so that I don't have to dig so much when I'm actually pulling my hair out. And I pretty much take it out. Alrighty, let's actually put the rest of these bad boys away. Okay, so now that this is out, I hope that you guys can see the buildup and the dandruff. Well, not dandruff, but like the dried up old gel from when I be slicking it up. I just comb it out. Because I did my faux locks myself, I know exactly like how I put them in, and I braided it a little bit at the top first and then finished it with just the 2-strand twist. So I'm taking out the 2-strand twist portion of the section, and now I'm at for the braid part, which is a little bit more difficult. There we go, baby. Yes, baby, yes. Alright, so now that I got it all out, I'm pretty much about to comb out all of the buildup and wet it, put a little bit of conditioner on it, and braid it right back up. Fix the part a little bit and put it right back in. So now comes bringing back the moisture into my hair because this thing dries. But oh, I forgot my spray bottle. So I wet it just a little bit, and I put a little bit of conditioner in it. Let's just say it's leave-in conditioner. Now I'm just going to fix, well, not fix, but just make sure that there's not a hair too far out of place, because my parts aren't perfect and I don't want them to be, but it's like somewhat organized. So now I'm just going to begin braiding from like here to like around about here, let's say, and then with the rest I'll just do 2 strands twist. I think that's good enough, so we just separate it. Alrighty, baby. So now I'm pretty much just going around again and making sure that everything like looks normal at least. And then this going to use it. It came in this pack. Bought it off of Amazon in a pack of 6 Bomba dreadlocks, Faux Locs sold in 1 week in Bobby Boss. The way I was taught, I separate the one into a long. And sometimes when I'm separating them, they get a little unraveled, so I'll just twist it in the same direction that it's going just to fix it. And then you can see this is what it looks like. And this is the center. I'll take this bad boy and I insert that right in here. And I take the dread and I put it in the little hooky thingy. I close it and I pull it through. Take out the little thing. I don't know words, but yep. And now we have this. So here's my hair in the center and the 2 pieces. I take one of the 2 pieces and I throw it around the back, and then I'm going to wrap the faux loc, or this side of the faux loc, around my actual hair, and then do the same with this. I'll wrap this around this once it's wrapped around my hair. The cool thing about this I love the most is that it does not have to be perfect. And voila! Good as new. Yeah, I don't know if you can tell the difference between the two. This one just looks messier and just, you can literally see the buildup. But yeah, now I'm just about to do the same thing to this one because this is the last one I already did. Like I said earlier, I already did all of these. So I just have to do this one and see you guys when I'm done. And let me repay you for the week that you've been through. So stop trying to walk away. No, you won't ever leave me behind. That's right. And we are back. Now do these look like they've been in for a couple of months? I think not. And now I'm also going to do my edges right quick, so you know, feel me, they just gotta stay on flocage. So I pretty much just put a little bit on over here before the dread and kind of play with it and figure out like where I want everything to go. So I'm about to just do it and we'll see. And there it is. Well, there it almost is because my hair loves to drink up gel, so I'm not gonna set myself up like that because they will not set if I don't layer it up with a little got to be blurred. I'm using a little travel size just because I'm trying to see if I find something else that I like before I buy another bottle of that. Everything is a plus. And okay, baby boo, okay, baby boo, okay, baby honey boo. Do these look a couple months old to you? Hold on, let me take them down like sauce. Okay, let me stop. Okay. Look, there it is. That's why I should stop. I have to break my nail. And the nail salon not even open for me to get my fill. Okay. So that's pretty much it. If I am going out, I normally like do my edges and stuff before I shower and get ready so like they can like set. So like I'll wrap them in this scarf, or even if I'm going to sleep. So I'll just put my hair back, way back, man, way back. And then I'll take this little baby here and wrap them things. Wrap them things. But I don't do it too tight because I'm tender-headed. And there you are. There you have it. You feel me? You feel me? That's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. So awkward.